What is up, everybody? The E.L.T. Nation here, and today's story is a pretty insane one. I hope you guys will enjoy this. If you do, make sure to like, and let's just start this. So this story takes place back when I was 19 years old. It all starts off like a normal day. I got up, and when I got up, me and my family decided to go on a family vacation, a 3-day family vacation, to be specific, to the beach. And we went there after school ended. So pretty much we were already making plans when I woke up. So after that, I ate breakfast, went to school. After school, we pretty much got in the car with our bags packed, by the way, and we started heading to the beach from school. And the beach trip was pretty normal for the most part because our hotel was nice and I just enjoyed it very much. And the next day, we didn't really do very much except for get in the water and went swimming. But the last day of the trip is when the story really picks up. So basically, I was in bed, and my grandmother left my room along with my grandfather and the rest of my family that went with us downstairs to get breakfast. And it consisted of scrambled eggs, some bacon, and potatoes. And once she brought the food upstairs, the food has already gotten cold, so she decided to warm the food up in the microwave. And the next part woke me up. Smoke was everywhere. The whole room was smelling like smoke because there was an egg in the microwave, which you're not supposed to do, by the way, especially a boiled egg because that would bust. And it just isn't safe. But anyways, we had to open up our patio door, which was so nice about this hotel because the hotel slash resort that we were staying at actually had a patio, so pretty much you can go outside and just sit out there and watch the waves from downstairs. So that was pretty nice. But we had to open that door to let the smoke out of the room because it smelled so bad. And I didn't get to eat my breakfast. I had to literally go get something to eat at some fast food restaurant on the way home because our breakfast was ruined. But other than that, the trip was normal. After that, we pretty much went home, and that is pretty much where the story ends. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys later. Peace out, everyone.